Taroni Keturi. Yes.
Kia East Africa.
Kuma kwa migrate East Africa ne maratirira andu micemanio muno.
Mumemba ucio mwana ni mumemba very quiet.
Very quiet na ne tugwiciria ria kurutwo kiama. Tora ibuku ri.
Niturakimenya makire na moritu makwao.
Yes.
No ti kwiagia makiagitie.
Izo kwao ni gukiuma nginya minerals. Tuko twi Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda,
Burundi
kuria kwa president Dayashime ye. Na riu Kongo.
Na Kongo niwe memba uria mweru.
Yes. Turia memba tandatu ri. Ni mwi wega twina kiama turugamana. Na indo cia andu aigana.
They kule South Sudan.
Kule South Sudan.
Yes, they South Sudan.
No atwe mugwanja. Riu pesa cichokete kuneno cia andu atandatu. Aiko South Sudan ni maroka kiama na makaruta. Uria kwagiriire ri. Kongo ni marakirira andu muno. Na twathie tukiiga nginya Equity kuo. Yes. You know, Equity is one of the largest banking institutions in the Congo. Yes.
Mumemba ucio muno ni akwenda ngetio. Ne romo no muno guthiagira andu magongona. It's very important.
Itondu mundu akagirwo na ki.
Ne ria tuireire.
Nimeo tuwekea WhatsApp group to left. Otuko inyanya.
Kana tuikire pledge.
Yes.
Ne karigie rio pledge.
Yes. Etoko ya Museveni uhoro ucio. Toriu ni muthuri atwakithie ni wendagia iritu guku gitaru giki.
Ona no senior.
Aliwa senior. Yes. And he is excited about the recent occurrence. You see, Rwanda's President Paul Kagame. Yes. Museveni. Ni akwetwo athomeire uhoro wa ujesi. Yes. Ni akuria is it UK?
Oye Museveni areto
Ian Kagame.
Ndio ndata kaundu kau ye Museveni ni athomeire unjeji kuria Ngeretha.
Yes.
Na ni arakihundukire na mucii.
Wega. Ahunduka na mucii ri. Mugathe mutongoria wa Rwanda ri. Ni aramwekirie thiini wa the version of the elite presidential security. Yes.
Haria mamurangagira.
Yes. Museveni handu hariku.
Handu hau.
And you know naturally.
Hakurangira ithe.
Naturally regardless of rank, niwe munene kuu.
What do you expect?
Yes. Museveni must be very excited.
No, he must be.
You know, his son is also a very senior military ranking officer.
Uwere gautumakia.
General Muhoshi.
Nirakira hogu agatugita.
General Muhoshi kwende gwite Kenya ri. No amekumbania na thiku.
Na atupi.
Na Kenya ni oru ginya ne makona nyahunyo muciiri. No mamugitaga.
Don't joke with Kenyans.
Ugagia ni mekumucakithia ngui.
Aingi makiuragia kari igana.
No ithe ni akiugire atiri. Tigai hakuhira mwana.
Ni muragumira mwana.
Just my small boy, General Muhoshi. Unasumbulia watoto ya watu nini? Na hata nyinyi mnalea.
Ni mtoto anacheza na mali ya baba yake.
Mtoto anaweza cheza kivaa viatu ya baba yake here and there. What's the problem? Sometimes you are very reactive. You are emotional.
Munabeba vitu.
Munabebanisha vitu sana. You should relax.
Dada kuwa social media nori.
Hadiwezi ya yadu wa poster. As long as my son is in the army. Wewe mwaka kwa excited ni orosi wa Kagame.
Ole hakuli ya Rwanda.
Hapo akamore thimu. Yes, Kagame. Yes, this is Sebo. I understand you are taking in my footprints. That is how you guarantee yourself security. You see, me, I never worry about the chair. When I go outside the country, my son will sit in the chair. Sinanga wasiwasi ninawachia nani kiti. When I go abroad, Muhosi
is home.
General Muhosi is one who sits on the throne. So nasikia umeweka Ian. Which is a very good thing. We will actually talk to the other people in the community to emulate that. Because security is like charity. It begins where?
At home.
I think Salva Kiir is a better place to execute. Salva Kiir might do that. And our brother in Congo. They see me, what would have to in that line? They see me here.
Burundi.
Mama Samia and Ruto. I will be talking to Ruto to make sure that Nick is in the army. It's good when we have an agenda.
I'm about the Magapuata.
I shall talk to Ruto and tell him either Nick or Shalin. They've been recruited in the army, and when they graduate, they be given big titles like Lieutenant Colonel or Major General. Yes, senior sergeant. No, not small titles.
The title,
and I will also speak to Mama Samia. You should actually look for that boxer.
Mwana.
She should be in the army, Madonga. You should also join the army. We cannot be doing leadership and your children are not in the army. should be a platoon commander. Mambo ya wakili ni mzuri lakini you should have some prowess.
Naweza kumana.
Kagame, are you hearing me?
It is okay, you see, I've just put my son in the military so that he can actually look after my security. It is good to trust your security with the people who are within your circle.
That's the thing. Now, you are opening your eyes now. Yes, where do you Kitupu?
I've always told you.
I have been telling you this. Right now, such a wasting, Zika. You should talk to Ruto so that Nick can also head KDF. Mama Samia should have one of the children in the Air Force. Me, I have in the Navy and the Air Force and the Uganda Army. General Moss. You cannot have an army and you don't have your people on the ground. Nick Ruto should be head of artillery. Shalin Ruto can go to the Air Force. The other one can be taken to the Navy from Mombasa so that you are guarded in the air, in the ground and in the seas. I try to tell Uhuru the same.
Uhuru is too good.
Uhuru is too diplomatic. And I see Ruto is also taking the same steps. You need a very close relative inside the army.
If not your kids.
Especially your kids. Because your spouse, now there will be international outcry. But if it was allowed, the better. Because it was allowed, we would have an excellency ratio. She would be called general.
Museveni must be very excited.
I am more than my humanity.
You are going the right way. That's the way to go.